That's Aliastor Indus. Now these birds are widespread throughout the subcontinents of India, Southeast Asia, and even in Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. Now here in the Philippines, we call them as lawins or badok in the Visayan region. So as you can see, medyo nag-late kasi dito, that is because of the wind. So familiar na siya mag-eagle, siya na ay mag-eagle sa division ni Kuya Kim na Batang Lawin. Now I get your